2018 Audi TT. 2018 Audi TT Review. The Audi TT is probably the best luxury sport coupes available. It's an R8 with the 99% 4-star overall score. The 2018 Audi TT is fun AR driving, has an awful lot of high-tech features and merely makes you feel good. From its baby R8 style to its minimalist yet feature-rich interior, it's among the best choices within a class of exceptional luxury sport coupe and convertibles. You'd be smart to add it on your short list. The TT isn't your easiest choice if it is practicality you're after. The coupe's rear seats are extremely tiny, likely pretty much useless, plus the convertible doesn't need rear seating in any way. Then again, most cars on this class lack practicality, and at least with all the TT coupe you receive a hatchback design for easier cargo loading. Overall, the TT greater than makes up for virtually every deficiencies, which consists of capable performance and impeccable quality. This is a type of rare luxury cars which make you feel as if you're acquiring more for your money. What's new? For 2018, the Audi TT receives parking sensors as standard equipment. A new S-Line competition package also debuts, along with the technology package now has a premium head unit. Since the 2018 Audi TT is offered within a trim level, the fundamental decision is to go together with the coupe or convertible. Both are similarly equipped, therefore it is just a matter of which body style that suits you. To further bolster the TT's luxury appeal, add the optional technology package that accompany a Wi-Fi hotspot, navigation, premium audio, and Apple CarPlay and Android Auto smartphone integration. Trim levels and features. The 2018 Audi TT is offered inside a single trim level as the 4-seat coupe or even a 2-seat convertible, roadster. Both are powered by the turbocharged 2.0-litre 4-cylinder engine, 220 horsepower, 258 pound-feet, that may be paired having a 6-speed, dual-clutch automatic transmission. All-wheel drive product is standard. Standard TT coupe features include 18-inch wheels with summer performance tires, LED headlights, heated auto-dimming mirrors, back and front parking sensors, automatic wipers, a power-deployed rear spoiler, keyless ignition and entry, selectable drive modes and adaptive steering. On the interior, you obtain automatic climate control, a virtual instrument panel, leather and simulated suede upholstery, power-adjustable front seats with heating, folding rear seats, Audi's MMI infotainment system that has a tracepad and voice control, a rear-view camera, Bluetooth connectivity, and also a 9-speaker head unit with satellite radio as well as USB ports. From here, you can include the technology package, which has a navigation system, Audi Connect telematics, a 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, a blind spot monitor, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto smartphone integration, along with a 12-speaker Bang & Olufsen premium stereo audio. The optional S-Line competition package adds to the TT with 19-inch wheels, an activity-tuned suspension, special exterior and interior trim, an activity steering wheel and sports seats. You can also receive a S Sport seat package with full leather upholstery and diamond stitching. The TT Roadster eliminates the corner seats but gains a center pass-through ski bag along having a folding fabric roof, roll hoops and also a power-deployable wind blocker. Trim tested. Each vehicle typically is available in multiple versions which can be fundamentally similar. The S on this review provide our full test from the 2016 Audi TT Quattro Coupe, turbo 2.0 liters 4-cylinder, 6-speed dual-clutch automatic, AWD. Note, since this test was conducted, the present TT has brought only minor revisions. Our findings remain applicable to this particular year's TT. Driving. Previous generations with the TT lagged other sports cars in performance and handling precision. But the latest TT, having its strong turbo engine and standard all-wheel drive system, elevates the dynamics to your level we didn't anticipate. It may not fit the race car mold, however it sure acts like one. Acceleration. The engine's 220 horsepower isn't a high number, however with 258 pounds-feet of torque to use, thrust is abundant whether you're driving out or creating a highway pass. In our testing, 60 miles per hour were only available in 5.5 seconds utilizing the launch control feature. Braking. Great straight line stability with minimal noise and vibration during panic stops allow for a confident braking experience. In our testing, the TT stopped from 60 miles per hour inside a short 103 feet. Steering. Electric assist provides different steering settings tuned with the idea to ease low-speed maneuvering or provide more stability at speed. Road feedback is superior to in some of Audi's S models yet still falls below what we'd consider ideal. Handling. Short of putting the TT using a racetrack, its handling is near faultless. The AWD system does an incredible job of keeping the vehicle on the intended line. There's great traction and superb poise through turns. Drivability. The TT lacks the responsiveness the reason is non-turbocharged rivals provide, but it really operates smoothly overall. The multiple drive modes give distinctly different degrees of assist and response, great for cruising to corner carving. Gear shifts are quick and smooth. Comfort. For a vehicle with such a performance bias, there's much comfort located in the TT. We wouldn't hesitate to work with the TT as being a primary commuter vehicle and for a long weekend excursion. But you will be better served using those tiny back seats for cargo instead of passengers. Seat comfort. The optional sport seats have firm but comfortable cushions along with a little more lateral support compared to the base seats. The front seats provide lots of support and cushioning all night of comfortable touring. Ride comfort. The TT's sport-oriented suspension strikes a good balance between controlling movement and ride suppleness. An electronically adjustable system, such as the one in Audi's TTS model, might offer a more flexible lope range. Noise and vibration. Summer tires generate some road noise, but otherwise the cabin keeps your majority of unpleasant sounds. For those who desire to hear their machinery's music, dynamic mode presents itself, the engine's volume channeled in the cabin. Climate control. The integrated air vent climate controls are quite obvious yet effective, although the air vane design limits directional adjustability. Interior. Audi's virtual cockpit combines the infotainment screen and gauge cluster into one screen in front on the driver. While this occupies the leading stage, the climate controls complete the present-day interior look, integrate seamlessly in the air vent bezels about the center from the dash. Ease useful. A single driver-centric screen helps build a beautifully simple cabin without having to sacrifice functionality. Getting in, getting out. The low-slung nature with the TT could provide some challenges for individuals who aren't employed to climbing into sportier vehicles. Otherwise, the narrow door sills and generous dash clearance give you a wide opening. Driving position. There are enough changes in ensure that tall and short occupants will discover a perfect driving position. Roominess. The TT's 12-way adjustable seats give you a surprising number of range to match front seat occupants over 6 feet. Tall. The rear seats are for the kids only, and in some cases then they will have minimal legroom. Best to assume you're purchasing a two-seater. Visibility. The back and front roof pillars are thin, thereby making the TT an impressively easy sport coupe to find out of. Quality. The TT feels worth the cost of its price. The cabin's design it isn't just pleasing towards the eye, nevertheless the switchgear and phone surfaces are noticeably rich in quality. This is a cabin you'll need to spend time in. Utility. You really can't expect too much inside way of practicality with regards to cars in this particular class. And so it is while using TT. Small item storage. Interior cabin stowage is sparse, limited by modest-sized door pockets, a little covered bin and armrest space, shared using a flip-down second cup holder. Cargo space. Trunk space is adequate with 12 cubic feet of capacity. If you fold the small rear seats flat, you are able to fit 2 golf bags. Technology. The virtual gauge cluster not merely displays the pace and other vitals, nonetheless it also handles audio, navigation and secondary system controls. You control the many functions together with the MMI knob mounted for the center console, right where your hand normally rests. Audio and navigation. The system works flawlessly, with quick responses and super sharp graphics which might be easy to watch immediately. Some from the menus require some getting utilized too, nonetheless it quickly becomes intuitive.